Okay, this is lighting control for the Heritage Center lobby. All of these controls are located in the server room right behind the concession stand, right next to the door. So we have the 4 dimmer switches here, control all of the can lights in the ceiling. This is the bulk of your lighting for visibility. So you have a dimmer here for most of the can lights on the east end, most of the can lights on the west end, most of the can lights in the center. And then this one labeled emergency is actually the can lights that are sprinkled throughout that are connected to battery backup power. So you will still need to use this one as well to make everything complete. So it's not just for use in emergency, it's for use all the time. But if we do have an emergency, these are the only lights that will stay on. So we'll generally want to run these pretty bright, unless the event has specifically asked for it to be dim, in which case a level about here or so might make a wedding that wants it to be darker a little more appropriate. After you get your dimmer switches set, you have these 4 light switches down here. These Galleria downlights are the lights outside of the main entrances on top of the stairwells. The foyer downlights are the lights just outside the concession stand in this lower ceiling area. And then the balcony aisle and auditorium aisle lights will be on whenever we have shows in the Heritage Center. You need to have these on. And then we have the accent lighting system. That's controlled by this device down here. So for the accent lighting controller, you have 5 presets here. You have an X that turns lights off. You have 8 presets here. You have arrows for increasing or decreasing intensity, and you have an off button. This off button and this X do the same thing. You can choose to turn the lights off with this button or with the X. So let's run through some of the presets that we have here. Preset 1 is red. This turns the entire lobby red. Preset 2 is green, turns the entire lobby green. 3 is blue, that turns the lobby blue. Preset 4 is white. That's a nice, elegant look that just makes everything white. Preset 5 is where we'll always put custom presets that events have requested. So if an event has specific wedding colors that they want us to program in, when we program it in, we'll always put it to preset 5. So you can turn on preset 5 and get the event's custom look if they have one. You also have additional preset buttons here. Preset 1 on here is warm slow, and then we have warm fast. Essentially, both of these are warm chases that give you oranges, reds, yellows, and you're just simply choosing, do you want them to be a slow fade between colors? It takes it about 1.5 minutes to get between colors, or a faster fade between colors in which it only takes about 45 seconds. We have the same thing for cool, slow, and cool, fast. These run through your blues, purples, and teals to make the room a little bit cooler. Over here we have red, white, and blue, and rainbow. Rainbow is a good effect to show off the system, show all the different colors that it can make. We have this preset is for north-south lobby. So if you need lights in the main lobby, but you don't want to disturb what's going on in south lobby, you can turn this on and the south lobby chandeliers will not come on. Conversely, if you want to just turn the south lobby chandeliers, that is this button that is only south lobby. And that gives you the option to turn on just the chandeliers in the south lobby without turning on the rest of the lobby. And then when you're done, the off button turns the accent lights off. Again, you can use the X over here, and it will toggle back and forth between turning them on and turning them back off. If you want to double check, the screen right here will say lights off when lights are off.